Kamusta po yung trial conference day? Natapos kayo po ba lahat?
Hindi pa po tayo tapos. So today was the first day of the pre-trial conference as scheduled. Okay naman po kami as much as the defense is as far as the defense is concerned. Okay po naman po kami sa nangyari. Right now, we're still doing yung ating marking ng mga ebidensya. So I don't think matatapos kami today dahil syempre sa dami ng mga dokumento. We are anticipating na babalik kami dito ng Monday. Yun na rin ang nasabi sa amin na magkakaroon pa kami ng isang setting ng Monday for the marking. Hopefully, matapos natin ng Monday. Kung hindi naman, we're ready to also come back on Tuesday.
So, hindi nyo natapos today dahil maraming ebidensya on both sides.
Both sides, yes, both sides. At talagang hindi naman talaga ganun kabilis yung marking. No? Siyempre, there are instances when we have to compare documents, di ba? Lalo na kung photocopy, we have to compare it with the original. So, natural naman po yan, normal lang po yan na hindi ganun kabilis ang marking.
Pero last day is on Monday or day by day?
Hindi natin masasabi. Sa ngayon, syempre, ang gusto namin sa panig ng defense at I think even naman prosecution, basta matapos kami ng mas maaga, mas maganda rin para sa amin para makapag-prepare na kami or makapag-focus na kami sa aming preparation for trial. But titingnan natin, no, kung kayang matapos ang Monday, tatapusin natin. Kung hindi naman, ready rin kami bumalik ng Tuesday para lang matapos na talaga.
Tapos na yun.
Well, there's one article, apat yung article. May isang article po na tapos na, no, yung marking, pero the three articles hindi pa. I think there's one other article na maaring either matapos ngayon or early Monday. Pero yung meron tayong dalawang article na marami talagang mga dokumento. So yun yung ina-anticipate natin na either end of day Monday or baka abutin pa tayo ng Tuesday. Hindi ko masabi talaga sa ngayon.
Pero on time pa kayo, sir, in terms of preparation kung July 6?
Yes, oo. I think on time naman tayo dahil nung binigay naman sa atin yung noong calendar noon na mukhang July 6 yung first day of trial. Yan naman talaga yung pinaghahandaan na natin. In our minds, sa defense, talagang July 6 ang first day of trial.
Sir, we know nasa pre-trial pa lang tayo. Pero yung communication with VP, chances of darating pa siya sa mismong trial?
Well, sa atin naman, kung aparat kong sinasabi dyan, kung kinakailangan, no? But sa ngayon, hindi pa natin masasabi kung kailan yon, kung mangyayari, kung kailan yon. But really, ang communication natin kay VP is constant naman. Meron naman tayong open line with the Vice President. Nag-uusapan namin lahat. In fact, after today, i-update ko rin siya dito sa nangyari today, no, sa first day of pre-trial.
So
tuloy-tuloy naman yan.
Yung first day ng pre-trial, can you help us describe kung kumusta yung naging working relationship niyo with the prosecution? Ano yung mga may mga haggles ba?
Okay naman po. As you can see, medyo lumalabas nga sa online na may nagka-tension or something. No? So, I just want to make clear na normal naman na syempre may arguments on both sides, pero hindi naman natin masasabing tension na talaga yon. It was really, it's normal in any pre-trial, even in hindi lang sa impeachment, pero sa mga regular na mga kaso, normal naman yung mga ganung bagay. Wala namang personalan yan, trabaho lang. In fact, nag-uusap pa nga kami ng prosecution. Diba? So, wala naman po tayong naging nakitang problema. Ang naging incident lang this morning is nag-usap kami, no, with some of the prosecutors and of course with the clerk of court, si Attorney Bantug, kung paano mapapabilis yung proseso. At nagkaroon naman ng agreement, no, yung both sides, especially with the stipulation of facts na kung may mga komento kami doon o kung ano man ang aming posisyon doon sa mga proposal, no, sa mga proposed stipulations, ay ilalagay na lang namin in writing at sasabit na lang namin by Monday. So I think that's one of the things na talagang lumabas ngayong araw is nagkaroon kami ng kasunduan na gano'n na lang para lalong mapabilis natin yung proseso.
Sir, for us non-lawyers lang, sensya na po, ano yung pre-trial conference, sir, aside from marking of it?
Well, usually, kung ano nakikita nyo sa pre-trial brief, yan ang napag-uusapan. No? For example, statement of the case, stipulation of facts, meaning ano yung mga pinopropose nyo na i-admit na ng kabila, no? Na factual na, parang hindi na natin kailangan i-prove pa in the course of the trial. And then, of course, a list of witnesses, the list of documentary evidence, no? The pieces of documentary evidence that we will be presenting. And then, trial dates. No? Napag-usapan din yung trial dates. And ngayon nga, since nabanggit ko kanina yung mga pieces of documentary evidence, ngayon, kakaroon na ng pagmamarka ng mga ebidensya na yun. Yung pagmamarka naman is really for identification purposes. No? Para sa nasa trial tayo, madali na lang nating matukoy kung ano yung dokumento na yun. For example, Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, di ba? So, ganun lang naman po yun. It's really, ang nangyari kasi sa pre-trial is pinag-uusapan na kung ano yung pwedeng pag-usapan to simplify the issues at para mapabilis yung trial.
Come up with the timelines kung gaano katagal.
Timeline wala eh, because of course it will depend talaga no on the presentation of witnesses. As you can see in the previous impeachment trials, hindi rin naman talaga nila maestima o mabigyan kayo ng any sense of timeline. But we'll see how it goes. But I think both sides naman are really looking to expedite as much as possible to make things simpler. No? At parang sa amin na, ang goal naman talaga namin during the course of the trial is maintindihan din ng ating mga kababayan kung ano yung nangyayari, di ba? Ma-present natin ng mabuti at malinaw yung mga ebidensya. So I'm optimistic no, na magiging maayos naman po ang trial natin.
Sir, nasasagot na kayo sa list ng mga witnesses?
Ano po?
Sa witnesses, sir, may na-finalize niyo na.
Well, kanina kasi we decided we'll just stick with the list of witnesses of both sides naman. Wala na kaming mga ilabas na objections or anything.
Ilan po yun, sir? Yung both sides?
I think I don't know sa kabilang side sa amin probably the same number eh, mga I think 25, 30, hindi ko rin masabi. I don't want to give an exact number right now.
The range is 25.
Kasi meron namang mga reserve din yan eh. May mga reserve witnesses din, no? So I don't really want to give an exact number. Probably in the coming days I'll give you a more concrete figure.
Kasi 25 to 30.
Nasa ganun eh kasi halos similar witnesses naman kami ng prosecution.
Last po,
Sa amin, I think a little bit less, but then we have reservations. So, may pag-asa pa rin madagdagan yung listahan namin.
Attorney, may talks dun sa presiding officer na pwedeng magbago, not the SP, pwedeng si Senator Cheese. Your thoughts on this?
I would not want to comment on that. I think that is something that is internal to the Senate, but tayo naman, handa naman tayong humarap basta naayon sa batas at sa konstitusyon. Kung sino man ang presiding officer, handa naman po tayo. Wala naman tayong kinikilingan or pinafaboran pagdating sa ganyan. I think that's something internal to the Senate, and out of respect for the Senate, it's something I don't want to comment on yet at this time.
kasi dun sa voting threshold, may usapan din na pwede siyang pababae.
That one, di ko muna ako komentan. Obviously, we have our own position on that issue. So, I think it's premature for me to comment right now, especially since wala pa namang nagiging categorical position ang impeachment court. But definitely, we have our position on that matter.
Sir, yung reaction sir sa mga nagsasabing hindi raw kayo handa.
Well, narinig ko nga yan. Parang may nakita akong mga news blast yata sa SOCMED no, na hindi daw kami handa. Sa totoo lang, although ginagalang ko yung mga nagbitaw ng mga salitang yan, hindi ko po maintindihan where that is coming from. The defense takes exception to that, no? Because definitely dumating kami dito ng handa. Pinaghandaan namin to na talagang napakatagal na panahon. Dumating kaming handa and the records will speak for itself. Makikita naman siguro sa transcripts kung anong nangyari this morning, and wala naman siguro magsasabi na pumunta kami dito na hindi kami handa. So I really don't know where that is coming from. But in any case, we respect the opinions of everyone, but again, the records would speak for themselves. Thank you.
Thank you.